Hello students, how are you? Fine. I am also fine. Today I am discussing about in previous classes beginning of the French Revolution. Today topic French society during the late 18th century. But let us discuss about some previous knowledge. When was French Revolution started? 14 July 1789. What is the meaning of the French Revolution? What is the meaning of the revolution? Anjali, say that. Yes. The term revolution means a recognizable momentous change in any situation. Write down in your copy. This is the basic, important and basic key features. French society during the late 18th century. The Society of States was a part of the feudal system or bonded labor. The term old regime is usually used to describe the society and the institution of France before 1789. There are in our book explained three states: first state, second state and third state. This is very vital. Now write down in your copy. First state, clergy, C-L-E-R-G-Y, enjoyed privileges, P-R-I-V-I-L-E-G-E-S, privileges by birth. Number 2 point, second state, nobility, enjoyed privilege by birth, enjoyed feudal privileges. Number 3rd point, this is very vital. Third state, it is totally taxed and burden of society depend on third state. Total. Big businessman, write down your copy in a 3 section. Big businessmen, merchants, court official, lawyers, etc. Number 2, peasants and artisans. Number 3, small peasants, landless laborers and servants. These are the category. In this way, peasants were forced to provide service to the lords. Lords means land owner. To work in his fields and houses, serve in army and participate in building roads. There are two types of taxes basically imposed on third state. Church imposed direct tax and indirect tax. How many types of taxes imposed? Two types of taxes. Direct tax, T-A-I-L-L-E, tally. This is direct tax. Number 2, church shares of taxes from peasants like salt and tobacco called tithe, T-I-T-H-E-S, tithes. Any doubt in this topic? I repeat it again. French society during the late 18th century. The Society of States was a part of the feudal system. It's called bonded labor. The term old regime is usually used to describe the society and institution of France before 1789. There are three states: first state, second state and third state. First state belonged to clergy, enjoyed privilege by birth. Number 2, second state, nobility, enjoyed privilege by birth, enjoyed feudal privileges. Third state, there are three sections. One society, big businessmen, merchants, court officials, lawyer. Number 2, peasants and artisans. Number 3, point to be noted of, small peasants, landless laborers and servants. In this manner, peasants were forced to provide services to the lords, to work in his fields and houses, serve in army and participate in building roads. There are two types of taxes: church imposed direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax is called tally, T-A-I-L-L-E. Number 2, church share taxes from peasants like salt and tobacco, called tithe, T-I-T-H-E-S. This is the summary of this chapter theme. Let us discuss about this topic. Very important question, some important. Who was the ruler of France during the revolution? Yes, Louis XVI of the Bourbon dynasty was the ruler of France during the revolution. When did he ascended the throne of France? He ascended the throne of France in 1774 at the age of 20 years. What debt did France incur due to her involvement in the American War of Independence? The war added more than $1 billion livres to the French debt that had already risen to more than $2 billion livres. This is the tax. What are the causes for the empty of treasury of France under Louis XVI? Assess any three reasons. Now write down in your copy. Anytime I ask any question with any student, so listen carefully. Long years of war and French involvement with the American War of Independence drained the financial resources. Long years of war and French involvement with the American War of Independence drained the financial resources. The American War added more than $1 billion livres to the debt that had already risen to more than $2 billion livres. Number 2, the burden of interest payments on state loans increased the debt as lenders who gave state credit now began to charge 10% interest on loans. French government was obliged to spend increasing percentage of its budget on interest payment alone. Number 3, luxurious living of Louis XVI and extravagant court. Number 4, this is the basic reason. The faulty system of taxation itself was a cause of the economic crisis. This is very important topic. The privileged class which could pay more taxes were exempted from state dues, while the unprivileged with scarce resources were burdened with heavy taxes on lower section of society. Explain the term of society of states. The term society of state refers to how the French society based on feudal system that dated back to the Middle Ages was divided into three states or classes. I previously explained summary of the chapter. The clergy and the nobility belong to the first and second states. They were the privileged classes. The third state constituted of big businessmen, manufacturer, trader, professional, peasants and artisans. This class formed the unprivileged section of society. Have you any doubt in this topic? Stand up student, any query in this topic? Write some important economic or social disparity can lead to revolution. Do you agree with? Justify giving an example. Yes, history of nation are witness to the fact that economic and social disparity can lead to a revolution. Point to be noted out. The French Revolution of 1789 and the Russian Revolution of 1917. Number 1. French Revolution. Division of society in states. How many states? 3 states. First state, second state and third state. Previously say, burden on the third state. Number 3. Privileges of nobles. And number 4. Wide gap between the people of different states. Political rights and economic advantage enjoyed by only some people. Thank you, class.